Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to add a Google account to your Android device. So, let's get started. To begin, unlock your Android device and navigate to the app drawer. Look for any Google app, typically found in the Google folder. I'll be using Gmail. Once you've opened a Google app, locate the profile icon. Tap on it. A menu will appear, displaying your current Google accounts. To add another account, select Add Another Account from the menu. Next, you'll be presented with various account options. Choose Google from the list. For security purposes, your device may prompt you to enter your device passcode or use biometric authentication. Follow the instructions provided and enter the required information. After verifying your device, you'll be taken to the sign-in screen. Enter your Google account credentials, including your username and password. If you're unsure how to create a Google account, you can find a tutorial by clicking the I button in the top right corner. Once you've entered your credentials, click Next. You may be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them, and if you agree, proceed by clicking Agree or Accept. And there you have it. Your new Google account has been successfully added to your Android device. Now, whenever you open any Google apps, you'll see that your new account is linked. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.